Hey everyone, it's midnight and here we are in San Antonio, Texas. So our train is linking up with another route, the Texas Eagle, and we're getting some cars added on to our train. So we have like a 2.5 hour layover here in San Antonio. So I guess it's kind of nice because we get some time to do some exploring here. So let's see what this place is all about. I mean, it's the middle of the night, so you gotta see what you can. I think I can see the Alamo from here. Yeah. All right, let's go check it out. Come with me. You can already see the style of architecture in San Antonio is quite unique. Look, they even have gas lamps. So, I mean, this is the train station facade. Nice that they got this signed. Pedestrian route to downtown. Let's see what it's like. Nice light display they've got going on. Look, here's a historic and unique church. That's pretty cool. So far it just seems like a standard kind of downtown area. Another horse-drawn carriage. This is like the nightclub and bar district, apparently. It's pretty lively at midnight. Okay, here's the Alamo, a site that is very important in Texan history, American history. Here there was a garrison of Texan troops holed up and fighting against Mexican army forces. Bit dark, but this is the Riverwalk. Just both sides of the river aligned with shops and whatnot. Seems pretty nice. Okay. LED lit horse-drawn carriages. Oh, romantic. Very nice. Man, some beautiful landscaping here. Post house. All right, so we are at what is known as the HemisFair, a park built for the World's Fair in the 80s? I don't remember exactly. But here we are. This is the Tower of the Americas, they call it. Pretty grandiose, huh? There's elevators that go up there, and at the top it's a revolving, there's a revolving observation deck. But yeah, it's a pretty nice courtyard area. Water fountain. And over here, another waterfall. Pretty nice. Here. Nice, huh? Very shaded, too.